Assalamu alaikum Ishfaq. As we know today, we are having our farewell of class 13th entry,
Yes.
and you have been declared as the best cadet of class 13th entry.
Yes.
And it's a kind of pleasurious moment for all of us. Ishfaq, I just want to ask you a simple single question, that could you please explain your journey for me from 2021 till 2026?
Yes, Ayan, first of all, thank you for congratulating me. And secondly, this is indeed the moment of immense pleasure and pride for me to be declared as the best cadet of 13 entry and the best cadet among 125 cadets. Thanks to the administration and the higher authorities who put trust in me, who entrusted me and gifted me with this award. I joined Cadet College Bana back in 2020-21, you know.
Yeah.
From there we started our journey. We came as a junior most, and then we elevated as far as following the common phenomena of life, that with time there comes elevation. The Latin proverb, vini, vidi, vici, we came, we saw, and we conquer.
Yeah.
And then the time come that we got promoted to the last and final class of second year class. And thanks to the administration and faculty for gifting me with an appointmentship. I was appointed as House Commander of Iqbal House on 29th of June 2020-25. It was the year of almost a lot of fluctuating experiences. I also was attached and indulged or meddled in dealing with the administration and in dealing with the cadets. I had a lot of fun experience in that regard. I'm thankful to the administration, the faculty, and especially the principal who supported us, and he was the most positive person I had ever witnessed in my life, because he brought great things for us, for our journey. I think so it was the best part of it. And then the time come when I was standing right there and they called my name, that Ishfaq Wazir is the best cadet of 13 entry and is the best among 125. Goosebumps were developed that Ishfaq has been declared as the best cadet. So I went there first. So I went to the SHM, and then I checked, and then I received my prize, and they applauded me, sir.
I can feel how much happy you are
Yes,
feeling. It's a
I'm
kind of a good
I'm
thing.
very much enthusiastic because it is a big thing, right? Achieving
It's a really
such a great thing, achieving such a great thing.
Yeah.
But in college, when you are in college, I think I consider it a good thing.
It's
And it
absolutely
is an honor for life that once that I would be able to tell my descendants that there were times when I was the best cadet in Cadet College Bana from 13 entry. I always felt proud on my cadets. I always felt proud on the way I command, the way I own my seniors. I don't think that I own my juniors, I own my classmates, and I always felt respect for my seniors. And this is the way of life.